Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today's Friday, April 11, 2025. What a week. So much going on. It's been quite a year as well, just all the stuff that's been going on for 2025. Back again today after yesterday's video, but a couple of things outside the stock market that I want to make you aware of. One is bond yields moving up dramatically. Like in the last week, the 10-year yield, 10-year Treasury bond moved from 385 to 455. Again, that's in 5 trading days. Huge move for a fixed income instrument. The 5-year up from 3.5 to almost 4.2, and even the 3-month 4.2 to 4.33. Again, 3 months, short time, but it's a pretty big move in 5 trading days. So interest rates are up. Gold is, record highs as well. That may be a function of the dollar, trading lower. And that may be a function of the trade war or the tariffs and all the negotiations going on as well. So it's kind of that hip bone connected to the thigh bone type of thing. And one thing that looks to be noteworthy is some guesses as to where the Treasury bonds, who's selling them, where the selling's coming from. And one I read this morning is from Europe, but it may be related to the Chinese. That Chinese were holding some U.S. bonds in European banks or something like that, and that's where the selling's coming from. It's not clear if that's true or not, but that could be the case. Earlier in the week, on Wednesday, there was the guess that Japan was selling a bunch of bonds too. So I think, with everything going on and the global rebalance that we're going through and all the uncertainty, these new and unprecedented to some regard trades and market movements are going to continue. And today the equity market is been up and down and like that. I'm doing this around 11:30, and who knows what the afternoon is going to bring. And then who wants to hold a lot of positions over the weekend with the potential for so many different headlines, and so it's an amazing time. We're going to get through it, and I think there's going to be great opportunity at some point in the next few months. So thank you for listening. Have a great weekend, and we'll be back on Monday. Thank you again.